Here at Sika, we see research and development as the driving force behind everything we do. And in the UK, that means delivering innovation that supports you in building smarter, faster, and more sustainably. Our local teams across our diverse locations work hand in hand with customers to cut carbon, meet net zero targets, and ensure compliance with ever-evolving UK regulations, all while drawing on the strength of our global innovation network. The result is technology that combines world-class science with practical solutions, creating lasting value for your every project.
Hello, I'm Craig and I'm responsible for innovation across Sika UK. I support the great teams we have in the R&D across the country. I help them turn their ideas into products and solutions the world needs. It's this process of turning ideas into reality that is the magic of R&D for me. To think that at one time the best-selling products were just a concept, just a thought floating through someone's head. As a function, we're brought challenges, and very often that's to do things that have never been done before. The entire world could be doing something one way, and we need to do it differently. There are no manuals of how to do this, there's no guidelines we can follow, there's just talented people working hard. I wish I could convey to you what it's like, that part of the moment when a new idea is born, that what if moment, when you can sense that we're onto something good, when you start to believe that we can do something that no one else ever has. R&D can often be really challenging, but it's those moments that make a career in the field so rewarding. The products that are going to make Sika a success in the future won't be the same as they are today. We need the ideas of tomorrow to turn into the products of our future, and that's what research and development is for me. It's both the art and science of creating what people think of as impossible. When I look at the team we have in the UK, I can't wait to see what amazing ideas they have next.
Hello, I'm Martin. The world is transforming at unprecedented speed, driven by sustainability imperatives, digital disruption, and rising expectations. In this environment, leadership is built on the ability to innovate with purpose and precision. Our R&D is the foundation of that leadership. Across 5 core technologies, that is concrete and cementitious systems, adhesives, coatings and intermediates, we're shaping the future of the built environment. What makes us truly distinctive is the strength of our people, experts who combine creativity, scientific rigor and market focus, and the way they work together through a globally connected networks of technology centers. This collaboration ensures that every insight, wherever it originates, becomes a shared advantage for all. We amplify this human ingenuity with the power of data. Artificial intelligence and machine learning help us accelerate discovery, predict performance and optimize processes. Tools that extend what is possible and allow our teams to focus on solving the challenges that matter most. This approach enables us to anticipate market shifts, transform complexity into clarity, and turn challenges into opportunities. For our customers and stakeholders, it means resilience, growth, and confidence in the future where innovation drives sustainable success.
Now, let us learn more about our innovation centres across the UK and discover what is behind the strength of Sika UK's R&D success.
Hi, I'm John Barrett, the R&D manager here at Sika Preston. One of the development areas we work in Preston is chemical intermediates, which are more easily thought of as the active ingredients in Sika's products. We work closely with Sika sites globally to ensure they have the best bespoke polymers and raw materials available to them to provide Sika and their customers with a competitive edge. Given that the majority of coating and sealant products across Sika contain an intermediate manufactured in Preston, sustainability is built into everything that we do. Whether that be reducing the global warming potential of our products or by improving the manufacturing processes. Our future focus is to ensure that our next generation of our R&D talent can continue to lead the way in innovation for Sika.
Hi, I'm Michelle Round and I'm Head of Technology for Liquid Applied Membranes for the Sika Group based here in the UK. The UK is really proud to host the Global Technology Centre for Liquid Applied Membranes, which means we really have a high level of expertise in this technology. And that's because here in Preston, we've been developing these products for over 60 years now. We've got world-class facilities and a really strong team of chemists that work here. Some of these chemists have over 30 years experience developing liquids, as well as some more recent graduates who bring like a really fresh perspective into what we do. And that diversity of thinking styles really helps us push the innovation and the direction of our products. Our everyday job is to really think about what that next generation of products is. And for me, that really means investing a lot in sustainability right now, particularly looking at how we basically do more with less material. The products are designed here, manufactured here, but exported worldwide on many major infrastructure projects. And for me, that's a testament to the product quality and performance we deliver every day.
Hi, I'm Jordan Holmes. I'm the R&D manager here at Sika Leeds. We're a centre of excellence for the design and manufacture of sealants and adhesives our customers rely on each day. Whether it's for home projects or landmark developments, our work here is helping to build the modern world, setting new standards for both quality and performance. Within the Sika Group, we are at the forefront of innovation, using advanced material science to create sustainable, high-performing products that conform to the toughest standards, serving DIY, trade and construction professionals. To bring these innovations to life, we've invested heavily in state-of-the-art equipment, which not only drives efficiency, but elevates performance, delivering real value to our customers. But above all, it's our people that make a difference. An agile, creative team combining formulation expertise with application know-how to turn lab innovation into real-world performance on site. Together, we're solving our customers' toughest challenges to ensure they succeed. From Leeds, we are building more than products. We are building performance, sustainability, and ultimately trust. Because at Sika, trust is the foundation of everything we do.
Hello, I'm David Bell, the R&D manager at Sika Redditch, the Global Development Centre for Sika Ucrete High Performance Industrial Resin Flooring. Here at Redditch, we innovate flooring solutions that meet the highest hygiene and safety standards, while at the same time withstanding heavy wear and traffic, aggressive chemicals and exposure to high temperatures. But product performance is just one part of the equation. We're also committed to sustainability without compromising these properties. Our current ongoing focus is to reduce carbon footprint and enhance the product's sustainability, reducing environmental impact whilst maintaining the exceptional performance that our customers rely on. Together, our R&D team has more than 50 years combined experience working with Sika Ucrete formulations, with continuous formulation development maintaining the product's long-standing market-leading position. The things that matter to us most are innovation in formulation alongside sustainability and reducing carbon footprint. We stay connected to our customers, and this has guided our work and innovation since Sika Ucrete was first invented more than 50 years ago.
Hello, I'm Panas, R&D Manager at Valin Garden City, focusing on concrete system and signature system. At Valin Garden City, we work hand in hand with Sika corporate team to ensure that our product development always take advantages of the latest technology. We have created a new generation of concrete admixtures, formulations that allow for high levels of cement replacement without compromising performance. These innovations are already in use both in the UK and across the globe, proving their strength and reliability in real-world applications. In our mortar system, we continue to push the boundaries of sustainability by integrating supplementary cementitious materials or SCM. We have developed products that can replace up to 80% of traditional cement, delivering not only high performance but also dramatically reduced carbon footprint. This drive for innovation is at the core of who we are, with 5 patents filed, each tied directly to our sustainable solutions. We are proud to be shaping the future of construction materials. Over the years, we have proven that innovation and responsibility can go hand in hand by listening closely to our target market, our customers, and working side by side with them. We transform challenges into shared victories. Last but not least, we value innovation and diversity. They are not checkboxes in our R&D strategy. They are the reason we exist and the fuel that keeps us moving forward. Our story is still being written, but with the team we have, I know every chapter will be worth reading.
Hi, I'm Milan, and I'm the head of data science for Sika R&D. I want to talk today about what makes us special. A quick self-introduction: I studied chemistry at uni, and I always thought I'd go into pharma or something like that. Instead, I got scooped up by Sika, and I really fell in love with the stuff that we do. Because the stuff we make, it goes into cars, it goes into bridges and homes. It means that a product that I help to formulate is probably in a bridge somewhere being walked on by thousands of people every day. Anyway, our team of data scientists in Sika R&D is a hodgepodge of ex-chemists and veteran data scientists. Together with our R&D superstars, we're combining native chemical knowledge with digital techniques to try and answer fundamental questions for the construction and automotive industries. Like, how can we accelerate the discovery of cement alternatives with machine learning? Or can we stop dredging rivers to get sands to build with and instead use desert sand or crushed rock and use computer vision analysis to help us achieve this? These are questions that are fascinating not only from a chemical and material scientist perspective, but also from a data scientist perspective, and they're also massively important for our natural ecosystems. I can honestly say that we're probably one of a very small number of teams in the entire world that deal with questions like this on a regular basis, especially with advanced computational methods. And I don't know any places where we'd have such opportunities. The constant deluge of new scientific problems and technological solutions means that both Sika and I and my team never stop growing and improving.
To discover more about how our teams can support you, get in touch.